Welcome! Today we'll step you through the pre-installation process for installing Kuvio Dimensional Wall Tile by Lumicor. For this feature wall, we'll be working with the Kuvio shaped point in its radial pattern dressed in a walnut finish. At the conclusion of this video, you should have a good grasp of the steps and strategies that will ensure an easy installation, regardless of the shape and pattern that's specified. Before installing any Kuvio tiles on the wall, make sure to inspect the tiles. Please note, each Kuvio tile is unique, and perceived imperfections are characteristics inherent to the construction. Most will not be visible when viewed outside of a 3-foot viewing distance. To start, you'll want to arrange the tiles on the floor in the desired pattern. We suggest starting at the wall's center, so the finished installation will be symmetrical. For this shape's radial pattern, place the first tile on the center line, making sure to align the top and bottom points of the tile to ensure the pattern is straight and symmetrical. Next, dry fit the second tile adjacent to the first. Continue to add tiles to the pattern to establish the pattern's width and identify the edges of the pattern's repeat. Measure from the pattern's center to its outside edge. This measurement will tell you how far to space your vertical guides on the wall to help ensure everything stays symmetrical as the installation progresses. Before installing any tiles on the wall, we suggest painting your wall a similar color to your specified Kuvio finish. This important step will help to ensure that a contrasting wall color won't be visible through any seams of the tile pattern. For this conference room installation, we needed to accommodate for a TV. Since all Kuvio tiles are 1.5 inches thick at their deepest point, we added a 2x10-inch block of lumber behind the existing TV bracket to give us the necessary clearance. Now it's time to transfer the information and measurements that we gathered from laying the Kuvio tiles on the floor to the wall. To do this, we'll start by marking the center line of the wall. Once the center line has been marked, continue to work down the length of the wall to identify where the vertical guides should be. Once all of the measurements for the guides have been identified and marked on the wall, use a chalk line to make the guides more pronounced. Continue to work down the length of the wall, snapping a chalk line for the other guides. These vertical guides will provide a good frame of reference as you begin to apply tiles. Thank you for watching our pre-installation video for Kuvio Dimensional Wall Tile by Lumicor. For more information regarding the tools you'll need for installation or additional install tips, check out our other videos or visit our website, www.lumicor.com.